Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 21st of July, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.16. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, reflecting a loss of 0.73% thus far. This represents an average decline of 0.18% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper part of a wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $19.76 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of around 30.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 46.59% and negative 28.60%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection indicates an expected change of negative 11.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 67.69% to positive 117.32% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price within the range of $6.17 to $41.53. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group features the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock upgraded to buy candidate. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation fell by 2.45% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, decreasing from $19.59 to $19.11. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.07%, with a low of $18.81 and a high of $19.58. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 0.95% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 757,000 shares, with a total of 8 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $155.24 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 65.05%, or $35.57, below the 52-week high, and 75.93%, or $60.27, below the all-time high recorded on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, have experienced a significant rally, reaching a 6-week high, primarily driven by the company's recent announcement of a $2 billion holding in Bitcoin and related assets. This strategic acquisition positions Trump Media as a notable player in the cryptocurrency space as Bitcoin approaches record highs. Investors are likely viewing this as a bullish signal, which could further bolster stock performance in the near term. The accumulation of approximately $2 billion in Bitcoin constitutes about 2/3 of Trump Media's total liquid assets, indicating a major shift toward cryptocurrency-based investments. This newfound crypto treasury not only strengthens the company's financial standing, but also enhances its profile among investors who are increasingly interested in tech firms with substantial crypto exposure. In addition to the Bitcoin strategy, Trump Media has allocated $300 million specifically for options related to Bitcoin securities. showing a proactive approach to capitalizing on the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. With broader regulatory moves, such as the recent signing of the Genius Act on stablecoin regulation, it's possible that this sector will continue to prosper. In the long term, if Trump Media's cryptocurrency investments realize substantial returns, they could significantly influence the company's overall valuation and stock price. However, fluctuations in crypto markets can introduce volatility in investor sentiment, making it crucial for stakeholders to closely monitor these developments. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, offering a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $19.22. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $19.02. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would prompt a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by nearly 10%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 114 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 109 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corp finds support from accumulated volume at $18.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.765 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.07%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 5.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $19.25. If you do not own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 19.204. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.04, reflecting a decline of 5.59%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators appear positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation from a hold to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 5.5 cents, starting trading at $19.17. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.